Hello and welcome back to Glastonbury Design Workshop. Today we're going to be building this thing here, or rebuilding it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the lower tier. I'm going to add in some live edge log edging, and I'm going to take out these things right here. I don't know if you can see them, but these are going to come out. The shelves are going to stay. I'm going to add in some little log posts across here and make it into an earring holder for my wife for the little store we have rented a space out of up in Sunderland. So that will complete this video. This is the earring holder rebuild I did for my wife. Went ahead and put some log holders down in here, put a couple of nails in it. I do have a couple of earrings that she's going to have in the shop. They'll hang on the little posts like that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment on whatever you might think. And this was a fun build. I really enjoyed it. Didn't take all that long, and it's probably my first piece of furniture that would be considered Adirondack style. So, pretty happy about it. So, thank you for following along. Thank you to my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And until we see each other again, be blessed.